Hey everyone, this is Self-Made Millennial. I'm Madeline Mann. Want to know the absolute quickest way to optimize your LinkedIn profile? In this video, you'll learn the top 3 things that have been systematically proven to help you show up in more searches and get discovered for more opportunities on LinkedIn. Do something sweet for your career and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to be notified for a new video every Thursday. After rigorously studying the LinkedIn algorithm, it has been shown that there are 3 aspects of your profile that disproportionately cause you to show up in searches. So the great news I have for you is if you make sure these 3 things are on point, you hit them hard, then that can give you the results of 12 to 16 times more appearances in searches. And number 3 surprised me a lot. I did not realize how important this part of your profile was, and after realizing this, I just went back and totally redid it for me. The number 1 predictor of search results is your headline. Your headline does not need to reflect your exact title, but should instead reflect what people will be searching for. Having the right keywords is so crucial here, folks, such as if your title is Member Experience Junior Associate, that is generally not what someone would be searching for in the search bar. It's a little bit too much on the nose. So let me show you the process to find out which keywords would work best for you. I first search for member experience because that's our title. So take that one, some of these, maybe this one. These are not really relevant to the job we're looking for. None of these. Take this one. Okay, maybe let's try customer experience. Let's see what that brings up. Okay, let's scroll for ones. And normally you would read the job description and make sure it actually fits what you do. Okay, so we've got quite a few job descriptions up here. And so I'm going to go into the word cloud and I'm going to go here, paste type text. And I'm going to paste all of these job descriptions into that box. Once you have all of the job descriptions loaded up, hit apply. And you can see the most important words plus some of the skills that you might need. And then I go to here to this word list and I see these words here, customer and customer. That's kind of a duplicate there. So this is actually 20 and delete this. Support members, support's down here. Support and member are both down here. So add 4 to those. And I would say customer experience, support, members are the 4 things that we absolutely should put in our headlines. I would make my headline member experience at ABC company, wherever I work, customer support. I would add my industry, so let's say mobile applications. And then I might put something to dazzle them, like if I have like a 9.5 customer approval rating. I don't know if that's exactly what it is, but then that kind of shows that you are a high achiever right at the end there. Now let me let you in on a little secret. LinkedIn limits you to 120 characters for your professional headline when you're on your computer. But if you switch to LinkedIn on the mobile app, the character limit increases to 200. I have a full video on my sleek and effective formula of how to format your headline. And one woman within a week of changing her headline to this format accomplished a lifelong dream of hers. She was asked to appear as an expert witness at a trial based on her expertise. And they found her just by searching on LinkedIn. So it's amazing what opportunities will pop up. You have to watch that video to get the full education on how to build out a great headline. And I will link that in the description. The number 2 predictor of search results is location. So easy peasy, you just change your location on your profile. Because if you are in the same location as someone who is searching, you are dramatically more likely to show up in their search results. So if you are trying to get a job in another city or trying to get clients in another city, change your location. Have you ever done a long distance job search? What was your biggest challenge? I want to hear it. So let us know in the comments. And I also have a video that will help you a lot in this. It walks you through the 5 steps to get a job in another state or city. And the testimonials have been incredible. I even had someone who was relocating from Ireland to come to the US, and these steps helped them a ton. So I will link that video in the description. And the number 3 predictor of search results is skills and endorsements. That's right, that section way down at the bottom of your profile in the nosebleeds where people endorse you for different skills is the 3rd highest predictor that you will show up in a search. I was shook when I heard this because I don't know if you guys remember, but for the longest time on LinkedIn would just encourage everyone to put like the same skills on everyone's profile. Like, oh yeah, endorse them for Microsoft Word and public speaking and leadership. And it didn't really mean anything. But if you actually put skills focused on your profession, that will shoot you way up in the food chain. Here are 5 tips for endorsements. Number 1, take the skills that showed up in our word cloud that we were doing earlier and also put them here. And then for more inspiration, just go to profiles of professionals who have the same job as you and see which endorsements they have to give you a little inspo. Number 2, you can have up to 50 skills on your profile, but still delete any that are unrelated to your work. Like if writing is one of your skills and you're a QA engineer, an employer isn't going to search for you to find writing as a skill. So delete it so that people don't keep endorsing you for that, and instead people will go and endorse you for your other skills. Number 3, pin your top 3 most important skills to the top of endorsements to encourage more people to endorse those, even if other skills have more endorsements. This is pretty intuitive. You just go to like the little editing button and you should be able to pin them. Number 4, having more endorsements for a skill helps you go up higher in the ranks. But we've actually found that even if you have as few as 1 endorsement for a skill, that will already get you ranked for that skill. So just, go ask your auntie to endorse you for a few things and you're already cooking. And tip number 5, endorse other people. Okay, you gotta do this. This is the best way to get endorsements. First, you go out and endorse people, then that will come back to you. But did you know that if you endorse another person for a skill that you have on your profile in your endorsements, that your face may show up on their profile? Check this out. You are being featured on their profile as a skilled professional. What a fantastic way to get additional exposure. So especially endorse people with similar skills to you. So these tips will make the fastest and the biggest difference in your LinkedIn profile, but there's so much more you can be doing to rise in the ranks, which is why I have included a free download in the description of a LinkedIn profile checklist that you can go through for your entire profile to make sure it is in tip-top shape. I'll also include the link to my LinkedIn playlist of all my best tips on building out your entire profile, posting on LinkedIn to get growing engagement, all the things that have gotten me thousands of views on my profile. I'll pop those links in the description. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much, everyone. Wi-Fi high five.